Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to play crafting and building on your PC or laptop. If you've only played it on mobile before, this is going to change the game for you. So stick around, it's super quick, and by the end of this video, you'll be building on a bigger screen with way smoother controls. So the first thing you need to do is open your browser, type in BlueStacks. Now in case you don't know, BlueStack is an emulator. It lets you run Android apps and the games right on your computer. It's almost like you're using a giant phone. So click on the official BlueStacks site and download it. Wait for the download to finish, then go ahead and install it on your PC. And when BlueStacks open up, look for the search bar at the top. Type in crafting and building. Click on it, then just press install from Google Play. And once it finishes installing, you'll find the game right there inside BlueStacks. Click on it and boom, you're playing crafting and building on your PC. And that's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy crafting and building on a bigger screen with easier controls and honestly, a smoother experience overall. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like and share it with your friends who love building too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.